Alright, YouTube, time for my go bag for Hurricane. So I'm gonna have 2 food rations. Going to have a compass, 2 toilet paper tablets, which are 20 total. How many ounces is this? A 40-ounce water bottle, hydro flask, some paracord, my clothes, my medical supplies, my waterproof blanket, my charger for my phone, and phone charger, as well as a charger to charge the charger, batteries for my flashlight, just a regular flashlight, and a book. So I'll go over what's in this med kit. The other med kit is just gonna have your typical high bleeding stop trauma patches, like the Israeli bandages, so chest seal, so on and so forth. 2 tourniquets. Going to have some waterproof adhesive tape, some gloves. Going to have 2 glow sticks, some paracord bracelet right there. Going to have some bandages right there, small bandages, life card. It's just gonna have like some tools and stuff in there, like a bottle openers, that sort of thing. Some more adhesive tape and some scissors, fire striker, and some tweezers. That's going to be for creating an airway, some gauze, some triangle bandages, and some gauze pads. And then in here, I'm just going to have an assortment of stuff you would need, like aspirins and some cleaning, sanitizing, that sort of thing. Alright, YouTube, see you.